Hello everyone, welcome to Tungad online classes. Let's continue our discussion on logarithmic differentiation. In that next problem, if x power y is equal to y power x, find dy by dx, right? If x power y is equal to y power x, then find dy by dx, right? Now look at the given expression. X power y is equal to y power x, right? In LHS, function to the power function is there, and in RHS also function to the power function is there. So what you do is just taking log on both the sides, right? First taking log on both the sides, then differentiate with respect to x, right? In left hand side, x is function of x and y is also function of x. Both x and y are functions of x. So what you do is just taking log on both the sides. First take log, then differentiate, right? Taking log on both the sides, then it will be log of x power y is equal to log of y power x. After taking log, use logarithmic property. Both the sides apply log of m power n property, right? Then it will be y into log x. Log of m power n is n into log m. Then x into log y, log of m power n, log of m power n. Now you can differentiate with respect to x. Then use product rule. First function as it is, differentiation of second function, plus second function as it is, differentiation of first function. That's equal to, in RHS also same procedure. Log y differentiation 1 divided by y into y dash, plus log y as it is, differentiation of x is 1 only. Now collect dy by dx terms one side, right? Collect dy by dx terms one side, other terms means similar terms. Collect dy by dx terms one side. Then it will be y by x plus, take this term into left side, minus log y. That's equal to, send this dy by dx terms RHS, minus log x into dy by dx, right? Now usual simplification means here take y dash common and take LCM both the sides. Then it will be y minus x log y whole thing divided by x. It is left hand side expression. Similarly, take LCM on RHS also, and y dash will be the common. Y dash in bracket x minus y into log x divided by y. Now just cross multiplication, y minus x log y divided by x. Send this term into RHS, then numerator and denominators are interchanged. Then it becomes y divided by x minus y log x. That's equal to dy by dx. Lastly, we can write dy by dx equal to dy by dx equal to y by x y divided by x into y minus x log y whole thing divided by x minus y log x. This is our required derivative of the function. In both the sides we have function to the power function, x power y, y power x. Once function to the power function expression is there, take log on both the sides, right? Next problem. If xy is equal to e power x minus y, find dy by dx. You can solve this problem by direct differentiation. Here exponential function, here product of two functions. You can solve this problem by directly differentiating. Otherwise, take log and differentiate, no problem. We can solve this problem in two different ways, by taking log and direct differentiation. xy is equal to e power x minus y. I will solve this problem by taking log. Take log, even here function to the power function is not given. In this case, direct differentiation is possible. Taking log on both the sides, log of xy is equal to log of e power x minus y. Then log x plus log y, logarithmic property, log mn formula, log mn is equal to log m plus log n. Log of m power n, it will be x minus y into log e. Log e value 1 only. Here nothing base is written, means it is understood base is e only. And remember, log e value 1. Now differentiate with respect to x. Differentiate with respect to x. 1 divided by x, log x differentiation 1 by x, log y differentiation 1 divided by y into y dash is equal to log e value 1 only, x differentiation 1 minus y dash, because y differentiation y dash. Again same thing only, collect dy by dx terms one side, non dy by dx terms other side. One divided by y into y dash plus y dash, take this y dash into left side, is equal to 1 minus 1 divided by x. 1, take this term into right side, it becomes 1 minus 1 by x. Y dash into 1 divided by y plus 1 is equal to, taking LCM, x minus 1 divided by x. Left side also take LCM, y plus 1 divided by y is equal to x minus 1 divided by x. So y dash equal to x minus 1 divided by y plus 1 into y divided by x. This is our required differentiation. Taking log on both the sides, then differentiate. Otherwise, in this case, you can differentiate directly, right? Next problem. If x power m into y power n is equal to x plus y whole thing power m plus n. Prove that dy by dx equal to y by x. In this case also we can find dy by dx by direct differentiation. For easier simplification I will take log. In this case not necessary to take log, but for our convenience I will take log. For easier simplification, taking log on both the sides, then differentiate. Otherwise you can differentiate directly in left side by using product rule, right side by using chain rule. Directly differentiation also possible in this case, but for easier simplification I will take log, right? X power m into y power n is equal to x plus y whole thing power m plus n, right? Taking log on both the sides. Taking log on both the sides, then it will be x power m into y power n, that's equal to log of x plus y whole thing power m plus n. Now use logarithmic properties. Left side log m into n. In LHS apply log mn formula. Log mn can be written as log m plus log n. It is like log m into n. So it will be log m instead of m x power n plus log y power n. In RHS apply log of m power n formula, then it will be m plus n into log of x plus y, right? Here also same thing only, m into log x, log of m power n formula, log of m power n formula, that's equal to m plus n into log of x plus y. Now differentiate with respect to x, right? After taking log, use logarithmic property, then differentiate, right? And m and n are constants. So m as it is log x differentiation, m constant into function formula, constant as it is differentiation of the function, plus n as it is log y differentiation 1 divided by y into y dash, that's equal to m plus n constant as it is, log differentiation 1 divided by, after log inner function. What is inner function? Outermost function log, its differentiation 1 divided by, after log inner function x plus y, its differentiation 1 plus y dash, right? After that usual multiplication. Again collect dy by dx terms one side. Before that I will simplify. M by x plus n by y into y dash is equal to usual multiplication, m plus n divided by x plus y is there, m plus n divided by x plus y multiplied for these two terms, then it will be m plus n divided by x plus y into y dash, right? Now collect dy by dx terms one side. M divided by x minus of m plus n divided by x plus y, that's equal to, send this term into RHS, m plus n divided by x plus y into y dash minus n divided by y into y dash, right? Now take LCM, m into x plus y minus x into m plus n divided by x into x plus y. On right side also take LCM, before that take y dash common, y dash into take LCM y into m plus n minus n into x plus y divided by y into x plus y, right? Both the sides in the denominator x plus y is there, get cancelled. Then now dy by dx, otherwise write one more step, mx plus my minus mx minus nx, that's equal to whole thing divided by x, y dash into my plus ny, usual multiplication, minus nx minus ny divided by y, minus mx plus mx will be get cancelled, and here minus nx is there, sorry not a minus nx, minus ny plus ny will be get cancelled, then my minus nx divided by x, that's equal to y dash into my minus nx divided by y. Here my minus nx is there, here also my minus nx is there, get cancelled. Now we get, now just cross multiplication, dy by dx equal to y by x. This is our required answer, right? Directly differentiation also possible, but for easier simplification just take log on both the sides and simplify, then differentiate. Lastly we get dy by dx equal to y by x, right? Next problem, if or differentiate square root of x minus 1 into x minus 2 divided by x minus 3 into x minus 4 into x minus 5 with respect to x. Already we know whenever function to the power function and product and quotient of more than two functions is given, in such cases taking log on both the sides, then differentiate, right? In this case product as well as quotient is given. Once product as well as quotient is given, take log then differentiate, right? Take given expression as y, because it is purely x expression, it will be square root of x minus 1 into x minus 2 divided by x minus 3 into x minus 4 into x minus 5. This is our given expression. Once product and quotient of more than two functions is given, in such cases take log on both the sides then differentiate, right? So here taking log on both the sides, taking log on both the sides, right? Why? Because product as well as quotient is given. log y is equal to log of this expression, and I will write that root as whole thing power 1 by 2. Already you know square root of x is nothing but x power 1 by 2. Square root of x can be written as whole thing power 1 by 2. So I will write x minus 1 into x minus 2 divided by x minus 3, x minus 4, x minus 5 whole thing power 1 divided by 2. Root can be written as whole thing power 1. After that log of m power n formula. Here n is 1 by 2, n into log m. So 1 by 2 into log of x minus 1 into x minus 2 divided by x minus 3 into x minus 4 into x minus 5, right? Then log y is equal to 1 divided by 2 into, here apply, after this apply log m by n formula. Treat numerator as m, denominator as n. Log m by n, already you know the formula. Log m by n is log m minus log n. So 1 by 2 times log x minus 1 into x minus 2 minus log of denominator expression x minus 3 into x minus 4 into x minus 5. After that apply log m into n formula, log m into n into p formula. Log mn can be written as log m plus log n. Right? Log m into n formula, already you know formula. Log m into n can be written as log m plus log n, and similarly log m into n can be extended for any number of terms. Log m into n into p can be written as log m plus log n plus log p. Similarly we can extend this for this property for a 2 terms or 3 terms or 4 terms or 5 terms. M into n into p can be written as log m plus log n plus log p, right? Here apply property, it is like log m n, log m into n. So it will be log y is equal to 1 by 2 outside log of x plus 1. Sorry, not x plus 1, log m plus log n, mn formula, log of m into n form, minus, here apply this property log m into n into p formula, then it will be log of m plus log n plus log p, right? So it will be minus of log x minus 3 minus of log x minus 4 minus of log x minus 5, right? After simplification, differentiate 1 divided by y, log y differentiation 1 by y into y dash, that's equal to 1 divided by 2 log differentiation 1 divided by x minus 1, x minus 1 differentiation 1 only, plus 1 divided by x minus 2 inner function differentiation 1 only, minus 1 divided by x minus 3 minus 1 divided by x minus 4 minus 1 divided by x minus 5. Therefore dy by dx equal to, just cross multiply, y by 2 into 1 divided by x minus 1 plus 1 divided by x minus 2 minus 1 divided by x minus 3 minus 1 divided by x minus 4 minus 1 divided by x minus 5. No need to simplify, just stop this. For this step only stop. After this simplification is not necessary, right? After that replace y value. What is our y value? 1 by 2 as it is. Y is nothing but square root of x minus 1 into x minus 2 divided by x minus 3 into x minus 4 into x minus 5. In bracket 1 divided by x minus 1 plus 1 divided by x minus 2 minus 1 divided by x minus 3 minus 1 divided by x minus 4 minus 1 divided by x minus 5. This is our final answer, right? After this simplification is not necessary, okay? And it is important 3 mark question, right? Next problem. Next problem. Differentiate square root of x plus 3 into x plus 1 divided by x square plus 3 with respect to x. Purely x expression, so I will take it as y is equal to square root of x plus 3 into x plus 1 divided by x square plus 3, right? Product as well as quotient is given, then take log on both the sides. Here quotient is there, product as well as quotient is given, so taking log on both the sides. Then it will be log y is equal to log of, and I will write that root as whole thing power 1 by 2, that is x plus 3 into x plus 1 divided by x square plus 3 whole thing power 1 by 2. Now log y is equal to log of m power n formula, then it will be 1 by 2 times log of x plus 3 into x plus 1 divided by x square plus 3, right? Then log y is equal to 1 by 2 times log m by n formula. Treat numerator as m, denominator as n. Log m by n is log m minus log n. So log x plus 3 into x plus 1 minus log of x square plus 3, log m by n is log m minus log n. After that, for this term apply log m into n formula. Log m into n is log m plus log n. So log y is equal to 1 by 2 times log of x plus 3 plus log of x plus 1 minus log of x square plus 3. 1 by 2 and differentiate 1 divided by y into y dash, 1 by 2 as it is, log differentiation 1 divided by an inner function log differentiation 1 divided by x plus 3. After that inner function x plus 3, its differentiation 1. Similarly, log differentiation 1 divided by after log inner function x plus 1, its differentiation 1 only, minus log differentiation 1 divided by x square plus 3. After that inner function is x square plus 3 is there, its differentiation 2x. Use chain rule. So y dash equal to 1 by 2 times 1 divided by x plus 3 plus 1 divided by x plus 1 minus 2x divided by x square plus 3. Then replace that y value, y dash equal to, this is our y value, keep 1 by 2 as it is, square root of x plus 3 into x plus 1 divided by x square plus 3 into 1 divided by x plus 3 plus 1 divided by x plus 1 minus 2x divided by x square plus 3. This is our final answer, right? After this, simplification is not necessary. Okay. And with this problem, I will conclude today's class. Thank you.